So we've been learning about the geography of our world, and we're really going to focus in on the United States today. So we are going to focus on, we talked about 5 regions of the United States on the very first day we read out of our packet. And today we're going to really focus on comparing and contrasting those 5 regions. So you're going to have section 2.8 is the first thing you're going to read. It may be a great idea to have your text packet out so that you can go back into it instead of having to click back screen to screen when you're writing answers in Google Classroom. Please notice at the top that there's a video link for every section that you're going to be reading today. So the first thing you're going to be comparing and contrasting is the Northeast and the Southeast. So I will start reading. I want you to be listening for things that they have in common and things that they have that are different about one another. So we should begin. 2.8, the Northeast and the Southeast. The maps on this page show the Northeast and Southeast regions of the United States. These regions have much in common. Both lie beside the Atlantic Ocean. A low flat plain runs along the coast in both regions. It is known as the coastal plain. The Appalachian Mountains also run through both of these regions. Large rivers flow out of these mountains. The rivers that flow east cut across the coastal plain to the Atlantic Ocean. The rivers that flow west drain into the Gulf of Mexico. While they are alike in some ways, the Northeast and Southeast regions have different climates. A place's climate is the kind of weather that a place has over time. It includes temperature, rainfall, and wind conditions. The Northeast region has a harsh climate. Winters there are long and cold. Snowstorms are common. Summers are warm but short compared to those in the Southeast. The Southeast region, in contrast, has a mild climate. Its winters are short and warm compared to those in the Northeast. Its summers are long, hot, and humid. Humid means damp or moist. So now that you've read some things that they have in common, which if you notice, that's at the beginning of the reading, and then some things that they are different with, some different things they have in, as far as geography, which if you haven't noticed, that's at the bottom part of the reading. I want you to go on to the next page in Google Classroom. What your assignment is a 3-column chart. On the left side, you're going to be putting things that only are characteristics of the Northeast. On the right side, you're putting only things that are characteristics of the Southeast. And then in the middle, you're putting things they have in common. So I have already done 2 for you. In the Northeast, they have a harsh climate. And by comparison, in the Southeast, they have a mild climate. So your job now is to fill in the other 7 boxes. You just need 1 characteristic per box. So please fill them all in. Remember, go back in the reading if you need to. Use your text packet if it helps to see it right in front of you. All right, we'll make another video for the next section.